Welcome back to Knowledge Insights. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I make content on knowledge base, informative stuff, digital skills, remote careers, and how to build income online. Intro to blogging. Today, we are diving into blogging, a topic that's helped thousands of people across the US, Canada, UK, and beyond earn a living online. While working from home, cafes, or even while traveling. So, what is blogging, really? At its core, blogging is about publishing content on a website, articles, guides, reviews, tips, around a specific niche you care about. But here's the catch. Unlike content writing where you write for clients, you own a blog. You control the brand. That means more freedom, more creativity, and more long-term potential. Skills required to become a blogger. Before you start a blog, let's talk about the skills you'll need, and don't worry, anyone can learn these with practice. First is writing skills. You don't need to be a novelist, but clarity and flow matter. Second is SEO, search engine optimization. This helps your content get found on Google. Next one is basic website management, usually done on platforms like WordPress. Fourth is marketing, sharing your content across social media and email lists. Last is consistency. The number one secret to success in blogging is showing up regularly. Blogging income potential. Now let's get real. Can you make money from blogging? Absolutely. This is the main thing to discuss. Because money is everything. And we are doing all things for money. Here's what typical earnings can look like in 2025. Beginners, after 3 to 6 months, $100 to $500 per month. Intermediate bloggers, with decent traffic, $1K to $5K per month. Advanced bloggers, $10K plus per month. Yes, really. How do bloggers earn? First method. Display ads, like Google AdSense, Mediavine. Second is affiliate marketing, Amazon, Sharia Sale, niche tools. Next is sponsored posts. Last one is selling digital products, ebooks, courses, templates. Blogging is one of the most scalable and passive income models available today. And the best part, it's accessible from anywhere in the world. Next topic is time commitment and real talk. Here's something most people won't tell you. Blogging takes time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. In the first few months, you're building, writing, optimizing, learning SEO. But if you're consistent, by month 6 or 12, things start to snowball. Every blog post becomes an asset. Every reader is a potential lead. And every click can turn into income. The magic of blogging is that it compounds over time. And unlike a job, it continues working even when you're not. Is blogging still worth it in 2025? In 2025, with AI tools, social media noise, and thousands of blogs already online, is it still worth starting a blog? Yes. And here's why. Number one is Google still loves quality, original content. Next up, people still search every day for guides, reviews, and advice. Next is blogs still outrank TikToks and Reels for long-term relevance. Whether you're in New York, Toronto, Sydney, London, or Berlin, If you have value to share, blogging is still one of the most underrated ways to build authority, freedom, and income. Need help starting? Try Binologics. Feeling stuck on how to start your blog, where to upload? That's where we come in. Visit binologics.com, our IT company that provides professional blog and website development, cloud hosting and management, SEO optimization, technical support. We'll help turn your blogging dream into a fully working website with design, speed, and structure ready to monetize. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a like, drop a comment telling us your blog niche idea, and hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video, where I'll show you exactly how to launch your first blog step by step. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or full-time employee looking for freedom, blogging can change your life. See you in the next one.